I think it's about me having a battle with Bangalore. This place, I don't know what was going on, but I found. My brain's not working. I'm literally brain fogged at this moment. I think I'm sick of it. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. This is the new location for our Bangalore store. We've done our basic runs of getting paint and oil and whatever we require, and here are the ACs which arrived a little earlier. This is my makeshift office space, and every time I'm building a new store, it generally feels like starting all over again, and I love it. Trying to explore the Lavelle Road. यहाँ से मैं अपने होटल तक वॉक करके जा रही हूँ so that I understand what is the vibe of this place. अभी तक मुझे काफ़ी fancy restaurants और cafes दिखे हैं. So far it seems very upscale. Now in between making a store, I have decided to shift to a different location because rooms got full, and I'm trying to build the store in Bangalore in budget because everything else in Bangalore is so expensive. I woke up, packed myself up. I'm going to take you through how today's day is going to go. It's for the first time I'm doing a store in another city other than Mumbai, where I have to do everything on my own. I tried to do it sitting in Mumbai, tried to hire people, painters, car painters, and every time they went to the place they saw Arey Lavelle Road, that seems like an expensive place, so might as well just charge her anything. And I'm having such a difficulty, so I decided to fly with my own painter who's built my Worldly store. And biggest difficulty that I'm having is finding cabs or autos, and agar मैं ऐसे ही हेल करने जाती हूँ ऑटो तो दे चार्ज मी व्हाटएवर दे फील लाइक. सो आई एम गोना वॉक टू द स्टोर फर्स्ट, देन टू अ सोफा स्टोर दैट आई फाउंड नियर बाय, एंड देन लास्टली अ ब्यूटी सेंटर वेयर आई कैन फाइंड चेयर्स फॉर माय niche hair setup. I rather walk it than take an auto or a cab because I think I'm sick of it. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. So it's all 7 to 8 minutes walk. It's raining too. But will I stop walking? No. अभी के लिए my painter is working. We've removed a lot of wallpaper that was there. Private room है जिसको मैंने again office setup बना रखा है. अभी तो सिर्फ cover up हो रहा है. Then I'm selecting the color. I want to go for this grey, so that's the patch test. I already spoke with the person who's going to install the CCTV for me, and done with the chair shopping. But something really funny happened. In this place, I don't know what was going on, but I found. I mean, what purpose could it serve? My painter was being naughty last night.
20 रुपए का चाय.
हाँ. कितने का होता है बॉम्बे में? 10 का ना?
नाश्ता करेगा सुबह 20 रुपए में 30 रुपए में नाश्ता करेगा. यहाँ जाता हूँ तो 90 रुपया 100 रुपये नाश्ते में चले.
लूटते हैं बाहर का इंसान देख के. Another morning, and I'm headed to the store, which I also call it my office. Yesterday was very fruitful. I ended up selecting a person who's going to do electrical work, one person who's going to do the CCTV installation for me. And why I'm finding these local people, not through friends, because मेरे सारे दोस्तों ने बड़े महंगे में काम करा रखा है और मुझे बजट में काम करना है. I think it's more about me having a battle with Bangalore in terms of finding the right labor and a cab or auto driver. It's just नहीं हो रहा मुझसे. कल मेरे इलेक्ट्रिशियन ने मेरे को ऑटो ड्राइवर ढूंढ के दिया है. So I found a mural artist off of Instagram. He came to meet me. His name is Dipesh. He's gonna start the work tomorrow. CCTV guy is almost locked. Electrician is locked. I can see things happening now. फ्रंट डेस्क नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे, कारपेंटर नहीं मिला है, सो आई एम अनएबल टू फाइंड एनीबॉडी हु विल बिल्ड फ्रंट डेस्क एज पर माय नीड्स. आई एम लिटरली ट्राइंग टू मेक एंड्स मीट राइट नाउ. जुगाड़ कर रही हूँ मैं, हर चीज़ में जुगाड़ चल रहा है मेरा इस वक्त. और इस सब काम के बीच में आई एम नोटिसिंग मेरे नेल्स अजीबो गरीब तरीके से टूटते जा रहे हैं. जब खुलेगा आप लोग आना. बैंगलोर लवेल रोड, सनीज रेस्टोरेंट के ऑपोजिट, बॉम्बे शर्ट कंपनी के ऊपर. Qasim is going. He's now telling me it'll take 10 days. When he came, said कि 7 days में हो जाएगा. Now it's been already 5 days. I don't know how will I ever finish this work. It's just frustrating. Ceiling पे color नहीं चढ़ रहा है क्योंकि उन्होंने stupid सा pink color कर रखा था जो वहाँ पे nail salon था पहले. अभी उसका मैं क्या करूँ? New morning, new story. I'm a little late to head to the store because आज तो meetings हैं. Meeting the broker for the first time who gave me the place. Genuinely grateful. I've been walking everywhere. Just look behind me. That is the halat of the road. I'm just gonna cross the road without dying. This guy almost killed me, like literally. I followed the signal to walk and I could have died. And I've literally told him, signal भैया, ट्रैफिक के बीच में से जूझती हुई निकल रही हूँ. या तो मरूंगी या क्रॉस कर पाऊंगी. कोई मेरे को ये कर रहा है. नहीं चल. ऑटो वाला इज कॉलिंग मी टुडे. आई जनरली थॉट मुझे पुलिस बुला रही है पीछे से क्योंकि मैंने रोड क्रॉस कर लिया गलत साइड से या कुछ. आई एम स्मार्ट वन. आई एम वॉकिंग वेयर एज पीपल आर स्टक इन ट्रैफिक. आई फील फकिंग प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. Bangalore, thanks for making a sidewalk for people because that is the best thing that you could do to the city. Anyway, today's plan is to get CCTV installed, electrical work done, ceiling of store to be done. I don't know how interesting is that. Am I adulting? Is that adulting life? Like, am I old? I get excited about it. Ceiling paint ho gaya aaj. Here is Amar.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
You have to say hello guys. I'm trying to be a vlogger.
He is my friend. He's also my broker here. He helped me find this place and he's the founder of Khayal.
Thank you.
Fabulous.
Much appreciated. It's going to be great. Parul's making it with her own hand, so it's greater.
We have angel hair pasta.
Just because it has hair, we're going to have hair pasta.
Well, you know me. I'm a hair girl. So since the store is getting made, I work from Starbucks. Today I've changed in total 4 spots. Manoj has been the sweetest. He's given me my favorite corner table here. So thank you, Manoj.
जरा जरा सी उड़ानों का ख्वाब नहीं मेरा, अंबर पे लगाना है आज मुझे डेरा, है सोच अलग मेरी बात में बेबाकी है, आया है जुबानों पे नाम तभी मेरा, जहाँ जहाँ पड़े कदम.
I'm right now sitting by the roadside, don't have my mic on though. I'm just trying to scan how I can do the branding right. Because now my brain's not working. I'm literally brain fogged at this moment. मैंने नागा अर्जुना से खाना मंगाया था. आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि इतना सारा खाना आएगा और मैं अपने छोटे से बेड पे बैठ गई हूँ. आई स्लैम माय हेड.
मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन हूँ मैं, मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन. ओ ये मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन हूँ मैं, मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन. मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन हूँ मैं, मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन. ओ ये मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन हूँ मैं, मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन. ओ ये
I am just not understanding how people work here. A, they are super sexist. B, they are anything you tell them, they're like, we don't do such chota kaam, we do bada kaam only. If you ask them to fix anything, then it's like, I mean, I don't know, just there's so many issues for everything. Why it has to be like this, especially when it's like working, right? It's not that I'm asking for free work out of everybody or anybody.
मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन हूँ मैं, मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन. ओ ये मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन हूँ मैं, मेरी मर्जी की मालकिन.
Came to shop for supplies at DMart. I think it's one of my biggest mistakes. No one follows a queue here. People here are insane. But good thing I got things in discount for it. Airbnb पहुँचे. हम बेल बजाते रहे काफ़ी देर, किसी ने नहीं खोला तो हमने दरवाज़ा थोड़ा सा ओपन किया. This is the हालत of the Airbnb. And worst, there's a puke. These are terrors, they never end. तो बैंगलोर सिटी थोड़ा ना नहीं हो रहा है इस पॉइंट पे. I don't know, maybe it's the language or या फिर like I buy flowers regularly, okay, and this is something I'm buying for the store launch and I'm making mini bouquets for everyone. But just knowing that, you know, people, the way they talk to you the moment they see that you are not from here, and especially if you're a girl, so I'm getting a little annoyed. I don't know how to put it in words. But tomorrow is my store launch, so that makes me happy. Buying daru for the party tomorrow, okay, not for myself.
Okay.
today is the day of the Bangalore store launch and I'm running like a headless chicken right now. काफी चीजें I've realized are still not there. Mama is here with me. Gonna figure it out. See you at the party in the evening. Just pray and pray that it happens. Although you'll see it by the time it's already launched. So.
जिद मुझ में बेशुमार है, जीत जाने का खुमार है, जिंदगी है मेरे काबू में, फिर क्यों ये ज़माना मेरा पहरे।
लॉन्च से 3 घंटे पहले
जो चाहा वो मैंने पाया, वही किया जो दिल में आया,